Okay, so today my package arrived. It's a Tommy Hilfiger watch. It's a pretty nice one. I bought it like for 200 euros off of the Bijenkorf, which is a Dutch luxury shopping mall. It's a pretty good watch. Yeah, I had only one size, so it's pretty big. It doesn't really fit my wrist, but you can size up the wrist. You can size it up to your own wrist size, so you can make it smaller or bigger. And you know, it has a really nice gold color. It has a rosé white plate and a dark blue. I don't know if you can see the color right. Dark blue surrounding, so a dark blue ring around it, and it's water resistant till 65 feet. It has also a tachymeter. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it has a meter. You know, you can tell how fast you're going by this ring. So that's pretty interesting. It has that as well, and yeah, it's a really nice watch. I already wore it yesterday, and my friends all complimented me on it. It's pretty big though. You have to really make it smaller if you're average size. So I'm pretty average sized, and I have to make it smaller to make it fit my wrist. Let me open it up. It's pretty hard to open, but you know, it makes makes sure you doesn't get stolen that easily. So that's pretty nice as well. And it really does go with a lot of your clothes. I mean, it's gold, and it's all gold, and it has a pretty classic but also really modern look. So a bit of both, and it really does look good with a lot of clothes I wear. So you know, I definitely can recommend it. I bought it for 200 euros. It wasn't it didn't have any kind of sale on it, so it was at full price. But I bought here in the Netherlands, so yeah, if you want to buy the watch, I can definitely recommend it.